paano po ba malalaman kung pasok sa trademark infringement?
Okay po. Yung trademark infringement naman po, no? If merong bad faith, yun po yung isa, no? If may bad faith na ginawa yung mark to be similar to another mark, yun po ay already a trademark infringement. Okay? So it exists po if there is a similar mark which will cause confusion. For example, sa sobrang pareho nila, nalilito ka na as an ordinary buyer, nalilito ka na kung ano ba talaga yung product, the original. Okay? So the simple test here is i-check mo kung ano yung branding. Is it the same? Malilito po ba yung customer? Pag pinagpikit sila, parehong-pareho na hindi mo na malaman kung sino yung original. And third po is kung yung nanggagaya ba ay gusto nilang makisabay dun sa reputation ng original brand. So
Mm.
for example, the original brand has a lot of followers. So kaya
Yes.
nila ginaya yung pangalan with the same product din, no, is to for them to get the followers. Ayun po. So that is a copyright infringement. So yung copying po at inspiration, no, magkaiba po sila. Yung copying po, that yung word per word, yung kabuuan, yung it will cause confusion, that is illegal. Okay? Pero kung inspiration lang, a little part, pwede po yun. That is allowed. Okay? So,
Okay.
ang pinagbabawal po ng batas natin ay yung manlinlang ka ba?
Mm.
Nililinlang mo yung tao na hindi pala yun yung original product pero kumbaga, ginagaya mo sila dahil you wanted to be popular as well, just like the original product.